Amanda.
Hi, Amanda. Say hi to Margaret. Say
How do I?
Say hello. Just say, look at the camera and say hi.
Hi, Margaret.
She takes it off.
Thank you. How old are you, Amanda?
5.
5. Okay.
Guys, try looking at
And this is, what's your name?
Tessa.
Hi, Tessa. How old are you, Tessa?
7.
7. And you just had a big operation, didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
What'd they do?
And they took my tonsil out.
What, a tonsil?
Uh-huh.
And you,
In my adenoid.
do you feel better?
Mm-hmm. I see your tonsil.
That's good. Show her. No, that's okay. She doesn't have to show. And Jamie, are you still playing the flute?
Yep, I play the flute really well. Can I try it?
No, sweetheart.
And I play soccer too.
Wow. And what do you like the best about these things, sports and music?
Well, I like playing soccer because I like to run and I like chasing the ball around the field. And I like playing the flute because, well, it's really fun and it makes me feel happy.
Oh, good. Well, you'll come play for us sometime, won't you?
Okay.
All right. How old are you?
I'll be 11 on September 2nd. Guys, try Uncle Craig.
Happy birthday. No, sweetie, this is for grown-ups. This is not a... Say hi to Margaret.
Hi, Margaret. How are you?
What else do you want to say?
We're coming out.
Are you?
I'm just recovering from a migraine headache, so I don't have a whole lot to say. My brain's not functioning very
I think
well
she
right
would
now,
understand.
but hopefully we can see you sometime soon.
Thank you.
Hi again, and I'd love to come out and visit with you and Craig. I love you.
Bye.